Selvi faces verbal and physical abuse on a daily basis by her son for money. Such is the alarming conditions of the old people in the city.
குடிக்கிறான் மனுஷரை மதிக்கிறதுல கடவுள் மதிக்கிறதுல எப்போ பாரு நிறைய ஓடியம் பேசுகிறான் பேச்சாது இல்லையாம்மா அடிக்கிறான் ஒரு நாள் கட்டியை தூக்கினான் அடிக்கிறதுக்கு
206 harassment cases were filed in the Elders Helpline last year.
2002 we are running this helpline successfully. Per month we received more than 50 complaints here. They are related to property issues, neighbor problem, tenant problem, unchecked bonds issues, financial cheating, anything which is related to senior citizen. Most of the cases we received from complaints, it's related to property issues. Belongs to their family. The children itself give a trouble to them to grab their property from senior citizen. Per month, if we receive 30 complaints per month, in that we received more than 10 complaints related to property.
Arogya Mary, a resident of Austin Town, has been harassed by her grandchildren to get a property that is in her name.
Old woman who has property in Austin Town, who's being beaten up black and blue by her own granddaughter and granddaughter's husband on a daily basis, asking for the property. Whenever she's gone to the police, she can speak only Tamil, so she's not able to speak in Kannada, and the police has not filed an FIR till date. Until we stepped in, and they would just do some first aid for the wounds that she had and send her back to the house. And only it took us like 2 days going to the commissioner and going to the elders helpline and then going to the inspector to get even an FIR registered. There's a lot of potential. They're actually not, like, I'm afraid to say this on record, but I still think that they're really not doing as much as they ought to be doing. They're working with the commissioner's office. They can direct any police jurisdiction police to go do a home visit. They hardly go for home visit. Even
The Elders Helpline says that they make sure that they try to solve the issues through counseling and avoid taking legal actions.
It's very rare we are not sending anywhere because this is a family counseling. Before coming here itself, they went. They already approached police station, many senior citizens, but they will not get proper help from police. Then only they came here, so that we can't send them again and again somewhere else. That's what we try to counsel them here. We called both the parties and sit together and resolve the matter.
Section 20 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 states that it is compulsory for everybody to extend necessary support to the elderly and the senior citizens.
as concerned, it primarily deals with maintenance. And you have to maintain your parents. So it provides for some 5,000 rupees monitoring maintenance. And it also says that if senior citizens file complaints, then it should be taken on a priority basis and so on and so forth. But and even the police establishment treats them with a lot of apathy because you need a lot of patience when it comes to elders, right? So the law has potential, but it largely speaks about maintenance and all, not as much as countering crime against senior citizens. And crime against senior citizens is really high.
Experts believe that it is the social stigma that is holding them from raising their voice against the injustice. This is Pavna Sridhar reporting for Citycast.